everyone, today I am gonna make paper lanterns. Here you can take decoration things and A4 colorful paper and a stripe, stapler and scissors. First fold it into half like this. Then cut it like this. Then fold it like this and then stapler it like this, and the other side too. And then the stripe is gonna be the handle. Stapler and the other side too. Then you can put any decoration things on the side, a flower or anything. You can stick this decoration on the sides. So this is the final look of the result, and try it and comment down below and like and subscribe this video, and bye. Thank you. Bye.